Sam, what you doing?
I'm banging the book.
You're banging the book. He's pretty much banging something all the time, but he's banging while watching Baby Einstein. Because, banging is great, but banging while doing and listening to something else apparently is even better.
Good. Now let's do the number 2. What's our number 2?
Number 2?
That's a dragon. Whoa!
Here's Noah. Hanging out. Hi, buddy. Noah. 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 What you doing? Noah.
Noah's banging the book.
No, Noah's not banging on the book. Sammy's banging on the book. Give me a smile, Sam. Good job.